Cotton thread is a material used in sewing. If you like natural things, you might consider it for sewing instead of polyester thread, but here's the deal. Cotton isn't as strong as polyester, so if your sewing project is going to face a lot of stress like heavy wear and tear, cotton might not be the best choice. However, if your project won't go through a tough time, cotton is a fantastic natural option. When to use cotton thread: loose-fitting clothes or accessories. If you're remaking something that doesn't need to be super strong, machine quilting for a rustic look. Great for giving your quilts a cozy, matte appearance. Sewing cotton for tie-dye. Perfect if you plan to add some vibrant tie-dye to your cotton fabric. Tips for using cotton thread. After you finish your sewing project, make sure to clean your sewing machine well. Cotton thread tends to split easily. If that happens, please use a larger needle.